Okay, this post is for Madden 25. Madden 25. I seen previews of Madden 25. I'm not impressed at all due to y'all improvements on the game is actually not improvements at all. Cause last year version Madden 2013 was terrible beyond belief. I don't understand who y'all got working there. This actually will let you put these games out, but y'all really need to hire somebody else. Anytime you got people flopping, arms folding behind their back, things that you don't see on NFL Sunday is in your game, which is making it a video game. Y'all not making it realistic. If y'all go have the NFL tag, y'all should work definitely 3 times hard to carry that name, as in this is the National Football League. Don't portray this as no flag football league is how y'all been treating it. Was really sad. There's no defense for the people that's running the same play over and over again. I don't see that on NFL Sunday at all. I don't see why they're still in the game. I think you should be forced to open up and make use your playbook. I think you should be forced to open up your playbook. I think the AI, if they run the same plays, the game should get impossible for you to win because that's football. You can't run the same plays. It just worked like that. I mean, I don't know if y'all think like that'd be wrong, but it's not because you can't do that on NFL Sunday. You got these football players that spend countless hours studying film tape, and it's not the same play. They not seeing the same plays on Sunday. So I don't see how y'all keep coming out with this game that's portraying that you can keep running the same plays over and over. I don't want to get on to run into the back of your line, you falling over. And I don't want to get into all that, what all that's about. I'm glad to see y'all made that, but that mistake should have never been, that game should have never came out if that was happening. Who played that and said that was okay? That's cool. He flopping and fell over his own man. He riding his back. Piggy style. I don't get it. I don't get it. Now y'all want to fix it. It's 2013. And the shit, excuse my language. And it still look Tecmo Bowl. EA, I don't see it. Not even in this 2013. We can't in this Madden 25. I still see drag routes. I'm so tired of people running slant routes and drag routes when you know they're running and you can't stop it. It should be simple. Everything that's done in the game, you should be able to stop it if you know it's about to happen. I shouldn't have to use everything. I feel like the user should have an advantage, as in being able to, they have more stick control. I understand that too. User catch against a computer. Yeah, I think I should have, if I can click on my people and fight for the ball, I feel I should have an advantage. So I feel that, but everything should be eliminated. That's what the game of football about. It's about execution. Everything should have, for this route, you should have a defense for that route. It's not like that. Y'all so charging it on offense that it's no defense on the game because you can run the same play. More videos, comment below. Madden 25. More footage I get, the more videos I do. All right.